Now, Joe, put your foot there. Not that foot.
See you.
That's better. Try and get it. That's perfect.
So Tom,
Don't move. Here we go.
here we go.
Okay. Come on, Archie.
See.
We'll go and we'll come back.
Go.
Stay there.
Okay. Joe.
Joe, that chair's for children.
Let's love sign. Children. Children. You sign. Children. Good. Children.
Joe, get on the bed, please. Oh. We need to get you a blanket.
A blanket? My next delivery. Wait here. Loads of blankets. Archie.
Okay.
Oh.
Ah, there he is.
Oh, sorry. Oh, blankets.
All you had.
No! My... Oh.
Stop, Joe. And let's look at your foot.
Oh.
So I give it.
Now.
I got scared.
Looks like you're gonna need a wheelchair.
A wheelchair?
Yeah.
My third delivery. Wait here.
You can walk.
Good news, Joe. Look, your x-ray's back and your toe's not broken.
Joe. Not broken.
Thank you, Archie. I've had a great day.
Thanks. But now I need a new phone. My phone is broken.
One is button.
A new phone? Wait here.
No.
a new phone.
No.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
You did that.
Well, it's time to go.
Wait. I need a blue light.
Let's love sign. Light. Light. You sign. Light. Good. Light.
A blue light. Wait here! A light.
Stop.
Turn it on! It's not working. Let's try this one. Turn it on.
Okay.
Oh, it's not working. Oh, something else is wrong. What could it be? Oh, you fixed the light, Connell. Let's go for a ride. Woohoo! I love the car. Oh, look, can you see my bike? Yeah. Ozzy, we need more grass. This is perfect, Ozzy. I'll get the cows. More grass. Happy cows.
Hello, Piggy.
Let's love sign. Pig. Pig. You sign. Pig. Good. Pig.
My next delivery is for you. What do you mean, no? It's a new bed. It's very comfortable. I'll show you. See?
Is Joe asleep?
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, birthday! You did the magic!
Good job. Good job, Joey.
This is a much better bed.
Piggy. Good.
Hello.
There are so many lovely animals at the farm. I like it here. But I still have more deliveries to make. What's left to deliver?
Hands up. Hands up.
Ah, yes. Food for the sheep.
Let's love sign. Sheep. Sheep. You sign. Sheep. Good. Sheep.
Come here, Martin the sheep. We have some food for you. Bananas.
Banana. Banana.
You don't eat bananas? Oh, I love bananas. Oh,
Jizzy. Jazzy.
I prefer bananas.
So, this is where we do the long jump. We jump into the sand.
Casper, we should jump because I'm gonna win.
No, I gotta win now. I win.
Casper did a big jump and I did a small jump. Again. Tennis? I love tennis.
Sure.
I'm really good at tennis. Let's play a game. All I have to do is hit the ball over the net. I think I will win.
No, I will win.
Let's play a match.
Let's love sign. Match. Match. You sign. Match. Good. Match.
Let's play a match. I have no tennis racket. My delivery! Wait here!
Topping.
Action! It's broken! We could play a game of football. Wow! Look at this.
Let's love sign. Ball. Ball. You sign. Ball. Good. Ball.
No ball.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say dizzy, dazzy, day. A football. Let's go!